Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, this is me, Abhay Gite from JIL Polytechnic, Narhe, Pune, Department of Civil Engineering Mini Project. Does gravity impact the acceleration of rolling objects? Participants members are myself, Abhay Gite, second, Pangare Vaibhav Digambar, third, Chile Rutvik, Sandesh, fourth, Muhammad Bilal Muhammad. Project guide by Professor Vaksauri sir. Content: first, abstract; second, research; third, propose; fourth, hypothesis; fifth, materials; sixth, producer; seven, observation; and eight, conclusions. First one is abstract in detail. The objective to find out whether a golf ball's acceleration was impacted by gravity. I rolled it down a wooden plank on a stalk of books, timed it, the recorded it on Microsoft Excel. Second one, research. How did the length of the molding affect the ball? The speed increases with the increase of the length of the modeling. However, the acceleration stay relatively the same. As the acceleration extract for each interval. Now the acceleration was the sum of each interval because of inaccuracies reading. How did the angle impact on the speed of the golf ball? As the angle increases, the speed of the golf ball increases. However, the acceleration remains relatively the same. What is the formula of circular acceleration? The formula of acceleration is A is equal to 2d by t2 in bracket t is equal to time, d is equal to distance, and A is equal to acceleration. What is acceleration? Acceleration is the change in velocity. Third one, purpose. To determine if there will be a change in acceleration of a golf ball due to gravity on earth when rolled down a wooden plank placed at various angles. Fourth one, hypothesis. I think that our golf ball speed will be greater when the angle becomes sharper. For example, if you struck a bunch of box on top of each other, angle is equal to 175 degrees compared to the sum stock of books at a sharp angle 100 degree, the ball will travel faster on the second than the first. Fifth point is material. Golf balls, spot watch, Microsoft Excel, wooden plank, protractor, pen, pencil, ruler, books to stock. Sixth one is procedure. Some point first. I stocked some books and set one side of molding on the books of create a ramp. I used the second. I used the protractor to measure the angle between the ramp and the floor. I adjust I adjust the stock of books until I can got the ramp as close to 30 degree as possible. Record the final angle in your notebook. Third, I used a ruler to mark 10 cm intervals along the ramp, starting at the floor and going upward. Fourth, I set the golf ball at a measured distance along the ramp. Then I determined how long it took for the golf ball to hit the floor. After I let the ball go, I recorded both the distance I let the ball go and the time it took for the ball to travel the length along the ramp. Fifth, repeat step 4 at different length along the ramp. 6. Graph your result. Put time on the x-axis and distance traveled on the y-axis. 7. Calculate the acceleration of the point you were tested using the a is equal to 2d oblique r2 equations. 8 and last. Try this experiment with different angles. 7 one is observation. Observation is given there detailed in chart. Last point is conclusions. In conclusions, the acceleration of each point was almost the same. The result varied because of the improper timing and groove issues. Thank you.